Assalamu alaikum. I am Syed Muhammad Riazul Haq. Once again, I am here to present a new video regarding how to learn a new language. For learning a new language, you must have some concepts about learning things. Like first of all, you have to understand that what language you use normally in daily life, and what kind of talking you do every day. Like if you consider the words that you use every day in talking about the daily life, like where are you going, what are you doing, what are you eating, what are you going to do in the future. So we know that every days we use the same words, same sentence, same structure, same grammar. So every 2 day, 3 day, and the whole the week we are repeating the same things. Just we know, and just we know the knowledge. When we want to discuss any topic, then we need a lot of vocabularies and information to discuss in any topic. But for using a normal language, to learn a normal language, you must know how to speak the daily words. So number one thing is that you have to list out the words that you use normally in the daily life, and also search the meanings of that words in other language that you want to learn. For example, if you are an English speaker and you want to learn a French language, so you must find out the meanings of the one day conversation that you do in your English language to in another language, French, German, Italian, like this. Secondly, you must know the simple grammar rule, how to use that words in another language. Thirdly, you have to practice, means you have to speak. So gradually you will learn more fast and easily. Okay, these are some basic steps to learn a new language. I hope you will like this video. Inshallah, meet you in another video. Have a nice day. Please subscribe to my channel and comments. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.